And good evening once again, everyone. I'm Ty Quinones. My co-anchor Trisha Keene right now is working from home today. Well, the local Chinese community is helping Valley hospitals by delivering much-needed medical supplies. And as 13 Action News reporter Jeremy Chen now explains, the community is stepping up as Asian Americans face discrimination.
The local Chinese community here in Las Vegas made a generous donation to the doctors and nurses here at UMC to ensure that they remain protected in terms of the fight against coronavirus. United we stand. That's the message placed on these boxes of donated masks for UMC health workers. It's a message the local Chinese community is sending in the fight against coronavirus.
This is our home and everybody want to help the doctors and nurses in town.
50,000 masks were dropped off at various local hospitals. Local healthcare workers are thankful for the donations.
They really just want to help us and keep us safe, and to make sure that the healthcare providers on the front line are able to continue helping patients as they come through.
Their act of charity comes during a time when Asian Americans across the country have been sharing their stories of physical and verbal attacks, as well as discrimination pinned to the coronavirus outbreak. Asian American groups are criticizing President Trump for calling it a Chinese virus, with the president defending the remarks, saying it's where the virus came from. The World Health Organization issued a recommendation in 2015 to not call diseases by location or nationality to minimize unnecessary negative effects.
It creates this stigma against Chinese and Asian Americans as a whole, which I think is unfair and unfounded.
While there have been no reported attacks or incidents here in the Valley, UMC medical resident Alex Lin says he's happy the Chinese community is lending a hand to area hospitals.
It's great that they are able to look past that and still kind of help contribute to our society and help protect the healthcare workers.
Community members say they are willing to help simply through their desire to give back to their fellow Nevadans.
I'm just hoping as the virus, eventually go away, that we can connect, reunite.
And other hospitals like Dignity Health and Sunrise are also asking for donations. If you're interested in doing that, we have the details available on our website, ktnv.com. Jeremy Chen, 13 Action News.
Yeah.